Hi, and welcome to another video from AST Limited, home of the Fastime stopwatches range. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to change the battery of the Fastime RW3 Copilote watch. To start off with, insert a coin into the battery hatch at the back of the watch and twist to release the hatch. Remove the old battery. To insert the new battery, you'll slip it between the clasp and the spring here, making sure the clasp is on top of the battery and the spring is beneath. You should hear a beeping sound which will confirm the new battery is correctly in place. Then reattach the battery hatch and use the coin to secure it in place. You can find all our watches on our website with the link below. Thanks for watching.